Alright guys, we got a little special unboxing for my birthday, just for fun. Stay tuned, I'll show you what it is. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards. We do some product reviews and unboxings. We also have a beard advice series where you guys can send in a couple of pictures to me to the email address you see below. I take a look at that for a couple of weeks and you get featured in your own beard advice series video where hopefully you get several options to consider going forward in your bearded journey. But it's my birthday, so I made a purchase from probably my favorite company right now, which is Crusher's Creations. He had a limited run. One of his customers asked him to do a specific scent profile. It was blueberry, vanilla, I think. Blueberry, vanilla, and cinnamon, I think is what it is. And I've never tried a blueberry scent. So I just couldn't resist. He only made, I think, 20 of them or something. But I went ahead and got the oil and butter combo he had. And always send out the stickers and the nice note. So thank you for that. And I'm smelling the blueberry already. Asked Brian about it. He said, yeah, this one's pretty simple. A lot of the scents he's been coming out with lately have been really complex, and a lot of the other companies have been coming out with kind of complex scents. It's got 4 or 5 different things, and you have different things hit you at different times. But sometimes there's something to be said for kind of a more simplistic, here's what it smells like, here's what it's going to smell like 2 hours from now, that kind of thing. So this one, he called it Burberry. Okay, but if I remember right, it is a unique blend of blueberry, warm vanilla, and cinnamon. And to me, Brian is the master of the cinnamon. A lot of other companies have cinnamon inspired scents a lot of times, but for me, that cinnamon is too strong. It's too much like the cinnamon stick kind of thing. Brian always seems to do a nice blend of his cinnamon that is still nice and sweet smelling like I want it to be. But I'm smelling it already. I smell that blueberry, smells great. Let me see if we can get this plastic off the wrapper here. And Brian uses kind of the paper wrappers, kind of old school kind of thing, which is really cool. By the way, the ingredients: jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, and essential and fragrance oil blend. Oh, that's nice. It's not quite as much blueberry in your face as I thought it was going to be. It's you do get the cinnamon too. I was thinking maybe because the cinnamon was the last ingredient, it may not be quite as prominent. But I'm getting all of those. So blueberry and kind of the warm vanilla and the cinnamon. And I also have it in the oil and the butter, 2.5 ounce butters, one of the best butters on the market. Okay, so this one didn't melt all the way. Last time it was kind of over to the side last time I got one. Smells the same. I'm getting a lot of vanilla and cinnamon and a little bit on the blueberry. Man, that butter is creamy. And I dropped the lid. I did stick this in the refrigerator for a few minutes, but oh, that's nice. That's nice. Exactly what you want it to be. A perfect blend of blueberry, vanilla, and cinnamon without anything being overpowering. I don't really feel that there's going to be top notes and then you warm it up and it's going to turn into something else and then it's going to turn into something else. So a nice sweet scent with the nice bit of cinnamon in that. So I bought that for myself to enjoy. I decided to share it for you guys. I know I always do plenty of unboxings and reviews and other videos, but this one was just for me. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. We'll see you on the next one.